Today I'll show you fuse box on Acura Mdx. There'll be more than 2 fuse box location. It's probably like 3, 4 or more, the location of the fuses. So first I want to show you where OBD port to plug it in. It's right in here, right under the steering wheel, and the first fuse box will be right in here. That's the information, and then when you look up, they're right in here. And that's the first fuse box. And to get to the second one, you have to go to the other side. And it's gonna be just right here underneath. There's like a little, all you do is just push it with the hand, pull it. The information right here, and the fuse box is right there. So to get to the third one, you gotta open the hood. I have to use stick, but because these wear out, you gotta replace these to hold the hood. Mine are not holding, they got very old. So this is the third fuse box location, is right here. That's the location of them, which one's which. To open it, you just click on this and click here. Just raise it up, just like that, and there you go. Those are third fuse box location. So to pull the fuses out, you have this right here, puller. To put it back, you just line this up. It clicks. That's it. And the fourth fuse box is right here. To open it, you have to press this in here, press on it really hard, and then pull it up, and that's the location. And there you go, the fourth fuse box. To close it, just pop it in. There you go. So to get to the fifth one, you have to pull this up, put it aside, make sure you don't spill it. And there it is right there. You're just pressing it and it opens. So this one's more like a relay box, not really fused, but so yeah, that's the fifth one. If you need it for something, just to put it back, it has like this. Okay, I'll have to put this one on first. And I'll press this in. Just like that. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.